Hey everybody, Dan here from devdan.io, and today's video I want to show you the absolute easiest way, in my opinion, to get a React app up and running and deployed. Probably takes just maybe a couple minutes. That's about it. Absolutely no configuration for the most part, and takes care of a lot of your building and deployment, workflow, and continuous integration and deployment all for you. So one of my favorite places to host React apps is with Vercel. They're a phenomenal company, really great hosting, and what we're going to be building today is a Next.js app. I'll do a little bit more in-depth video about that later, but Next.js is my go-to flavor for React and for React projects. They've done a phenomenal job with creating just an incredible user experience or developers experience with their framework, and they really have performance at the forefront of all of their application, which I think is delivers just an overall better product. So, anyways, without further ado, what you should do, head on over to Versal.com. I've already got my account. I'm logged in here. You can see I've already got two apps that I'm currently running on there right now. And let me just show you how quickly you can get this up and running. Absolutely no cost right now, just for their hobby version. But once you get logged in, you create your account. You're going to go over here and just click New Project. And they've got a few different templates that you can choose from. So these are some of the most popular ones that they have. We're just going to do a standard Next.js one. And we're going to clone. So basically, they've already got everything all set up for you, and they are going to write to your GitHub if you give them access. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my GitHub. Let's go Next.js uh, Vercel test. All right, and I've already connected with them. I've already given them access, OAuth access to my GitHub account. So I'm going to go ahead and click create. And what this is doing is basically Versal is going into your GitHub, and they are creating a repository for you right now. You can see right now they're preparing the deployment, they're building it, running checks, and then they're going to assign domains to it. So off the bat, you're obviously not going to have a custom domain. You'll have one assigned by Versal, but you can always change that later. You can add custom domains. But while that's happening, what I can do is head on over to GitHub. And you can see right now they create, like I said, they create the repository for me. It's a Next.js project, just a very simple boilerplate right here. I'm going to go ahead and clone this repo locally. And what I've done, git clone, and then this is specific to me. I believe this is what it is. So I've got multiple SSH keys because I have multiple accounts. So this just basically tells it which one I should be using, adding that personal. So you probably don't have to worry about that unless you have multiple GitHub accounts. So what I'm going to do is cd on into next. All right, I'm going to run yarn, yarn dev, and it says that we're running this locally. So let's just make sure that the app is running. Look at that, we've already got Next.js is up and running locally. Now let's just change something. Actually, before we do it, let's hop on back over to Vercel. It says now we can go to our dashboard and we can visit it. The site's already up and running. We haven't even written a single line of code yet. So you can see that they just give you a simple test URL right here, and this is the same thing that we have running locally. So let me show you that everything is fully functioning here. So if we go on over to pages, we'll do index and welcome to Next.js. Let's just say welcome to my first Vercel deployment. Okay, so you can see obviously we got hot reloading already working, so this is still on localhost over here. So let's just go ahead and kill our server. We'll do a quick git add, git commit, updated text, okay, and git push. So now, like I said, it's already got automated building already hooked into this. So basically what happens is I just push it up onto Git. You can see now when I refresh this, we updated the text. Now the cool thing is we haven't still, all we did was update text. We haven't done any kind of configurations for the most part. We're going to go back on over here. Okay, here we go. So now it says it's still actively building. Looks like it's got an update already here. And there you go. And that's all you need to do. That's the quickest way, in my opinion, the most efficient, not only just for local development or, sharing a little project with somebody, but also for production deployments. Versal is phenomenal for hosting. They can do it at scale. I do have a few production deployments, production websites that I've deployed on Vercel. Configuration is incredibly simple. As you've seen, there was really not much to it. We got up in just a few seconds, and they offer a lot of functionality as well too. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with them. This is just the bare bones to get things off the ground, but they offer tons of functionality and phenomenal product, phenomenal hosting, in my opinion, and highly recommend them. So, if you found this video at all helpful, please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscription. That'd be great. Awesome, and thank you for watching.